Welcome to today's episode, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about assessing the emotional ecosystem of your relationship. Today, I want to talk about different signs that reveal to you whether your relationship is safe and healthy. Let's get into it straight away. Number 1, minimization. Something happens, and instead of validating your lived experience, your partner minimizes your entire experience. So, in your world, perhaps something happened. Instead of validating how you feel, what they say is, that was nothing. You're making too much out of this. You're sensitive. Next one. When you want to assess the emotional ecosystem of your relationship, you want to see if your partner is avoiding confronting and difficult situations. So instead of working through a problem or resolving a situation, they shut down. They shut down, they disappear, they become very avoidant, and everything remains unresolved. Next one. You want to pay attention, guys, to the historical abuse that may have taken place in your relationship. You see, abuse comes in cycles. Because you're not being abused right now, or you weren't abused yesterday, it doesn't mean that the abuse is not going to happen again. Abuse comes in cycles, so you want to pay attention. Do they abuse you and there is no repair, and then we are back to where we were before? So you see, guys, you want to pay attention to the historical patterns of abuse. That's very important. So pay attention. Pay attention to see if the relationship is healthy and if there are issues and they are being resolved by your partner. Next one, triangulation. Instead of working through all these different problems that may arise in your relationship, they go and triangulate. They bring a third person into the relationship, your mother, their mother, your closest friend, their ex in some cases, or your ex. So you see, triangulation. By triangulating, what they're doing is you're trying to make you feel unstable, and they pretty much destabilizing you to get what they want. And you want to pay attention if there is triangulation. Next one is they create chaos because they can leverage it to control your life. So all of a sudden there is drama, there is chaos, and you're back to step 1 with them. Meaning that you're back into that trauma loop, and you're looping and looping, and you just don't know why they keep behaving the way they've been behaving for so long. It's like a loop that you can't break free from because they keep creating chaotic situations in order to control you and overpower the situation. So you always want to check in with yourself. You want to assess the emotional ecosystem of your relationship and your friendship with other people. All right, hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to ground yourself, to realize who you truly are. Once again, guys, if you're looking for one-on-one healing and coaching sessions, make sure you reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys. Also, if you find the content valuable and helpful, guys, please shout me a coffee. The link just popped up, and I appreciate your support, generosity, and encouragement. You've got this. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.